For the health professionals, project management is a critical skill at personal and organizational levels. I urge healthcare professionals to attend these global certifications to improve their management and leadership skills. This will ensure effective and efficient utilization of resources. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, it is now my pleasure to declare the inaugural Africa Project Management Conference for the Health and NGO Sectors 2025 officially launched.
And we are actually developing effective, world-class, value-based health leaders. We have also chosen that niche of health sector. I know people say doctors make poor managers. Doctors, I am tired of hearing that. And imagine doctors try because nobody trained them. So let us now skill them, empower them to be the right kind of managers. And we have trained over 300 professionals just from February of this year. In health, it is very serious because failure, project failure, equals loss of lives, isn't it? If a project is not executed, you are losing lives. And that's why we really need to ensure health sector is well catered for. We are transforming Africa health leadership one leader at a time. Hashtag transforming Africa health leadership one leader at a time.
How many projects do we start even at individual level that we don't accomplish, we don't finish? And therefore, these skills that actually you are advocating for will not only help us at a project or a program level or an organization level, but even an individual level. So it's actually a common skill that all of us must have. So if you haven't done a project management certification, either by association with the ELUD, because I have, or by proper training, please can you enroll for this training after this session today? Because it will add value to you at an individual level.